This is Epson WF2960 DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, 4-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan and print and fast with this printer. This printer is with ADF, automatic document feeder. This printer also got the button casket here for you to load specific paper. Now what I want to do is to show you how to replace the ink cartridges, remove the ink. What you need to do is you need to go to the ink image, select on it. Once you select the ink image, you will see replace ink cartridges or print supply status sheet. Select replace ink cartridges, select next. Remove and replace each ink cartridges promptly. Delaying the insertion of a new cartridges may cause the printer to perform additional maintenance. Select start, then you open up the printer. Now what you need to do, you need to select specific one, and when you look here you will see the gauge screen is empty. Okay, here we go. So this is exactly how to replace or remove the ink. If you want to put it back, what you need to do is you need to go in BK. Okay, and you can see it's showing us it's ready. Then you go to cyan. Okay, and it's showing us it's ready. Go to magenta. Okay, and it's showing us it will tick good to show you that it's ready. The last but not the least is cyan. Go in, okay, and select complete. Then you close it. It will move away from and go to the corner. So this is exactly how to replace the ink.